Hey friends, welcome back. So today's video is all about my 2020 Majestic Glam fireplace mantle decor, and we're also going to be decorating my Christmas tree. So in last year's video you requested that I show you the process of the decorating, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're starting off with the tree. So last year my sister decorated with me and you guys said to please bring her back, so here she is. She is super talented with decorating for the holidays, so she will be doing most of the decorating in this video so you guys can see how talented she is. So this is the same tree that I used last year. It is a King of Christmas tree. I will link it for you in the description box, and it is flocked. So to protect our nose from all the flocking, we did wear a mask and that helped quite a lot. So let's move on to the ribbon. Guys, I launched my ribbon on my website, and thank you so much to everyone that purchased their ribbons from me. This is one of them. We're starting off with this ribbon, and to secure the ribbon in place, we are using the branches from the back of the tree. That really makes a big difference. It makes it look like the ribbon is coming from out of the tree. So I don't like to cut my specialty ribbons because they're just so pretty. So what we're doing is we're creating bows with the ribbon without cutting the ribbon. And we are securing that in place with the branches from the back of the tree. So this is what it looks like. You can see that it looks really, really beautiful. And again, you can see the technique of using like the branches from the back of the tree to secure the ribbon in place. It really makes the ribbon flow really well on the tree.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Although it's been said.
So we decided to create the same ribbon design on the other side of the tree. So we have one on the left hand side, and then we have that same design on the right hand side. So next we're moving on to the second ribbon. This one also is so gorgeous. We're starting off at the top of the tree using the branches from inside of the tree to secure this into place. And then we decided to create a different design with this, creating 3 folds and using the branches from the back of the tree to secure it into place. And guys, the ribbon is not going anywhere. This method really secures the ribbon in place. And again, we are not cutting the ribbon because, like I said, I don't like to cut like my specialty ribbon, and it looks really, really good. So the link to my website will be in the description box. If you're interested in getting Christmas ribbons like this, I will link it for you in the description box. You can get it for this year if you've not decorated, or you can get it for next year or gift it as a Christmas gift. So this is what it looks like. Now we're moving on to the ornaments. I'm using most of the ornaments that I already have. I did pick up some roses and this poinsettias and a few new ornaments this year from Hobby Lobby. So we're starting off with this ornaments from Hobby Lobby, the white and the black. The black does come in 3 different finishes. So we have the matte finish, the shiny, and the glossy. So we created a cluster with the white, making sure that we have one on the left hand side, the right hand side, and the middle. It really creates a balance on the tree. And then we added more of that white and black ornaments to the bottom and around the tree. Next, we are creating the tree topper using this picks that I got from QVC. We used about 4 or 5 of them as the tree topper. So next we're adding some picks. We layered 3 picks together. Layering the picks gives you a fuller effect. So that is what we're doing here. We're going to add that in a triangular shape, and that gives your tree a balance. So this is going to be at the top and 2 at the bottom. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, 2 of the picks right at the bottom, 1 at the top, and that way you get that triangle look, which gives the tree a balance. And then we added more picks to the tree to make it more full, fill out all the empty holes in the tree. So now we're adding the roses to fill out the holes in the tree. We're creating a cluster of like 4 of the roses, 2 black and 2 white. And then we added some of that to the top of the tree. So now we're moving on to the finishing ornaments. These are the ornaments at the end of the branches that actually stands out. So we kind of repeated whatever we did to the left hand side to the right hand side, which kind of gives you a very cohesive looking tree. So now we're moving on to the fireplace decoration. I will show you the tree once we're done with everything. So I'm starting off by wiping down my fireplace mantle area. So here is an overview of the items that we're using. These are all left over from what we used on the tree. And I'm going to show you the command hook that we're using. This is it, guys. This one really held up really well last year, and I'm hoping that it does the same this year. I've had my garland up for a while and it's holding up pretty well. So that's what I'm going to use along with some of the decorations that you see here. So for the command hook, we are not placing it straight up. We're slanting it to the side because we are going to be creating a very heavy look garland, so we want it to stay in place for the entire Christmas season. So when you slant the command hook to the side, it helps to hold the weight of the garland. So next we're adding the garland. This is the first one. We will be layering the garland. This is the one that I used last year. You can only use one if you want to, but I'm going for that full look. So we will be layering this garland. And with anything that you do, your tree, your garland, you want to make sure that you fluff it out, because over time it does lay flat, and fluffing it out definitely gives it a full look. Here's a second garland that we're layering this with. I wanted a different look. I wanted something that was falling down. I wanted that full look, but I couldn't find one that was flocked. So this was the best one that I could work with. But don't worry, you guys will get to see that we made it work. So you can mix green and flocked together and make it work. It is all about personalizing it to your taste. You know, this may be too full for you, but this is exactly what I wanted, and we definitely made it work. So you guys will get to see what I did to the garland to kind of make it blend together. So here my sister is just basically fluffing out both garland and kind of making it look like it's one. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I did to make it look more flocked. So here we go. We're using a snow blower. So this is like artificial snow that I got from Amazon. So what I'm doing here is just spraying it down onto the green garland, not too much, and we had to wait like a couple of hours between each spray so that it can dry well. So while we were waiting for this to dry, we went on to my staircase decoration. So all I'm doing here is just spraying it over the green garland to make it blend with the flocked garland, just a little bit to make it look like it's all one. So now we're moving on to the ribbon. We're creating a very simple ribbon design with this. It's just a loop going up, a loop going down, and that is what we did for the entire fireplace area. So we added clustered ornaments to the left and the right hand side of this fireplace area, and then we added some more ornaments to the top and around the fireplace, and we also added picks, so layering them to the left hand side and to the right hand side of this garland, and that gives it that full look that I wanted. So here is what it looks like. It got really dark, so I couldn't record the entire thing, but I'll go over some of the stuff that I didn't get to cover during the decorating process. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I wanted that beautiful, magical Christmas tree and Christmas fireplace mantle decoration, and that is exactly what we went for. It turned out to be so beautiful, and I'm gonna go over some of the things that we didn't cover. So for this area, we added 4 spinners, 2 small ones and 2 large ones to the ornaments, and the spinners really make the ornaments stand out. It's so beautiful. I will link it for you in the description box. So right here I have the slate that I got from QVC, and I added some gift boxes in it. And the other side of the fireplace, I placed this stacked ornament that's also from QVC, and all of my stuff are lit because I just love the way it looks at night. Under my tree, I did place some gift boxes from Ross and Target. On my coffee table, I also wanted to add some lit decorations, and I picked up this candle holder from Target and I placed some LED candles in it, and I think it looks really good. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment section. So this is the other side of my living room. This is what it looks like. I kept it really simple. On this table here, these are the 2 DIYs that I posted in my last video, and this is how I have it styled on my table. And this is what it looks like during the day. It is so gorgeous. I love the garland. I love the tree. You guys leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Would you guys like to see my sister again next year decorating? She is super talented, and we always go all out for Christmas. And with me having a baby, she has been a tremendous help with decorating my house and her house for Christmas. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Everything that I talked about will be linked for you in the description box, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like late at night. So this is where I was watching Home Alone with the kids, and you can see how beautiful the night glow is. I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, I'll love you to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care and God bless.